Triangles according to the sides, how many types? Triangles according to the angles. You know, in each case, 3 types of triangle. So according to the sides, 3 types triangle. First is scalene triangle, whose all sides are not equal. Second one, isosceles triangle, whose 2 sides are equal. Third one, equilateral triangles, whose all sides are equal. These are according to the sides. Then according to the angles, acute angle triangle, if all the 3 angles of a triangle are less than 90 degree, more than 0 degree, then that type of triangle is known as acute angle triangles. And if one angle is right angle of a triangle, that triangle is known as right angle triangles. Third one, obtuse angle. If one angle of a triangle is more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree, then that triangle is known as obtuse angle triangle. So today we will do the topic we want to revise, which is given in 9th class, 4-5 forums given. So we will try to find out their solution or proof of them. Otherwise, statement compulsory for us, because in this class 10th, similarity rules given, and similarity based on congruence. Understood? Both are connected with each other. Understood? Congruence meaning same as it is. Congruence meaning same as it is. So today we will start what? Congruency. Congruency of what? Triangles. So we can start from this congruence of triangle. So what? Congruence of triangles. Congruence meaning same as it is in all respect. Yesterday also I told you what I told you. A triangle contained how many elements? 6 elements. This triangle ABC, this triangle what? D, E, F. And this is the symbol of congruency. If triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF, its meaning, what's its meaning? Its meaning 6 element. 6 element what? 3 side and 3 angle of this triangle is equal to the 6 element of this triangle. 3 angle with corresponding sides. Corresponding meaning this, if triangle ABC I have written, its correspondence is like this. A, B and this C. So its meaning AB I have written from here is equal to DE. BC, last 2 I have taken is equal to EF. First and last I have taken AC equal to DF. For angle, which angle? ABC. ABC equal to angle DEF. Angle BCA equal to angle, what's angle? EFD. Angle CAB equal to angle, what's? FDE. It's meaning this angle equal to this angle equal to this angle equal to this angle. Then we can say triangle, which triangle? ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. And its meaning not this. So what we can say about this? Triangle ABC also congruent to triangle EFD? No, not compulsory. Understood? Correspondence is there. CPCT saying corresponding part of the congruent triangle. So that must follow what? CPCT. So first we will revise what we will revise, which we have done in the class 9. So what? So one by one we can revise it. So CPCT, we are using CPCT meaning corresponding part of the congruent triangle. 6 element in a triangle. How many elements? 6. 3 sides and 3 angles. And when 2 triangle become congruent, when 6 element of one triangle is equal to the 6 element of another triangles. And they following what? CPCT, corresponding part. That's like this I have written. If I have written like this triangle ABC, and I'm talking about triangle DEF, so its correspondence part are these. ABDE. So in this way CPCT we need. If we can prove this, then 2 triangles are congruent. Otherwise, it may or it may not. 100% we cannot prove 100% we cannot say two triangles are congruent. Congruent meaning same as it in all respect. So here one given, this one example from your daily life, you must have observed that two copies of your photograph. It's meaning passport size photo. Two copies of your passport size photographs of the same size are identical. Same size meaning I am saying two photo passport size, your photo. So it's meaning their size is same or identical. Identical meaning same as it is. If you can one photo you can put on the another photo, then it's covered that one photo. And if you can second photo put downside and first photo putting upside, then also both covered each other. So what we can say, simple definition of congruence, when one object covered the another object completely, then that object is congruent to that. Another example you can take, rooms of same size, field of same size, you can say, having length, breadth are equal, angle also equal. Like this, your board, if size of board 6 into 4 you have taken, so both are congruent to each other. This digital board, same size of another digital board we can take. So what we can say, both are congruent with each other. Or what we can say, both, if one we can put on another, one covered others. So we can say congruent. So it's meaning similarly two bangles of the same size. So we have taken, what we have taken, two bangles we have taken of the same size. So they also what? Covered with each other. So they are also two ATM cards issued by the same bank. Understood? It may be possible if you are taking ATM card of the different bank, their size may be different. But if you can take two ATM card of the same bank, then they are covered with each other, are identical. It's meaning covered with each other, it's meaning identical. Identical means congruent. You may recall that the placing a 1 rupees coin on another, minted in the same year, manufactured in the same year. So that one coin covered another covered first one. So both are identical, meaning both are congruent. They cover each other completely. If they cover each other completely, definitely they are congruent. And simple meaning of congruent is same as it is, no difference. Understood? This given, another activity given, repeat this activity by placing a one square on the other with side of the same measure, or by placing two equilateral triangles. Here we have taken the example of this square. Which square is this? This is square ABCD. And what's its side? Side of the square is how much? 5 centimeters. Look one time. Another square DEFG. EFGH. It's what's EFGH? It's also each side 5 centimeters. And this property you know. What is square whose each angle is 90 degree and all sides are equal? So it's meaning if you can put this square on this, then definitely this square covered it. Understood? And when you can put this square on this, then also covered with each other. So it's given, repeat this activity by placing one square on the other with sides of the same measure, or by placing two equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, you know. What's equilateral triangles? Having all sides are equal. We have taken this ABC. This is also equilateral triangle, each angle equal to 60 degree. This is also another equilateral triangle, DEF. So it's also each angle 60 degree, this angle also 60 degree, this angle also 60 degree. So it's in two equilateral triangles of equal sides. If sides are not equal, then they do not cover with each other. But what must side they need? It's meaning 6 element of this triangle is equal to 6 element of this triangle. 3 element already given equal because it is an equilateral triangle. So each angle is equal to 60 degree. Side also equal. So what's become 6 element? Already I told you 6 element of one triangle if equal to the 6 element of another triangle, then the two triangle are congruent, same, identical. You will observe that the square are congruent to each other and so equilateral triangles. So we observed square also congruent and these triangle also congruent. So concept of congruent coming from this. Then saying you may wonder why we are studying congruence. So it's meaning coming in your mind also why we are studying there, what's the use of it, what's the benefit of congruence. So telling benefit in your daily life. You must have seen the ice tray in your refrigerator. You have seen this ice tray. Observe that the modules for making ice all are congruent, all are same. Understood? So use of that telling what's the use of congruent. The cast used for modeling in this tray also has congruent. Depression, maybe all are rectangular or all are circular or all are triangular. So their shape may be circular, maybe triangular shape, maybe rectangular shape. So whenever identical object have to be produced, when we have to produce what? Identical object, then we have to use what? Congruency rule. Then we have to use this concept. Which concept? Concept of congruency. So if anybody can say what's the benefit of it, then easily you can tell this is the use of in our daily life. So it's used to for making the cast. So I told you, understand, I think the next page here coming, what's given? First axiom written here. What's written? Axiom. Important point, beta. One is axiom and one is the theorem. Understood? So there is a difference between these two. Difference between these two. Theorem means its proof. What's its proof? Axiom meaning that we can assume. What we can assume? Assume with the help of our previous knowledge. With the help of our previous knowledge. Like this, sun rising in the east. Understood? This is our assumption. Understood? This is previous knowledge. We can say this is already in our mind. So axiom, its meaning which help the previous knowledge result, and so it's accepted true as a axiom. So this we have to assume. This we have to assume. Proof this not. So SS congruence rule, two triangle are congruent if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to the two sides and the included angle of another triangle. So this is the axiom saying like this. We are having a triangle. What triangle? ABC. Another triangle. What's the triangle? DEF. Understood? Two sides like this, AB equal to DE, this equal to this, AC equal to DF, this equal to this. Two side and the included angle. Which angle included between them? This and this. And this, which angle? BAC equal to angle EDF. So this is our axiom. What's our axiom? This is already proved its meaning. We can start from this. So axiom meaning without proof. Understood? Theorem mean which need we proof. We have to prove that. Axiom meaning that's our assumption. So saying like this, if two sides and included angle of a triangle is equal to the two sides and included angle of another triangles, then two triangle are congruent. This is our axiom. So we can start with this. This already we know about this. So on the basis of this this axiom, we can prove remaining theorem. So understand between this difference between axiom and theorem. Axiom Meaning what? Without proof. Without proofs. Assumption. Understood? Theorem which need proof. Which need proof. Understood? Yes or no? Like this, taking an example. If going in school, it's meaning for what? To get education. So it's just like a axiom. Understood? And theorem, it's proof need. So this is the difference between axiom and theorem. So this axiom meaning, this is our previous knowledge. We know this. Two triangles are congruent. Two triangles are congruent if two sides and included angle of one triangle is equal to the two side and included angle of another triangle. This is saying SAS. A written in between this, it's meaning included angle. Two sides and included angle of one triangle is equal to the two sides and included angle of another triangle. Then these two triangles are congruent. But in starting saying to prove congruent, 6 elements we need. Its meaning is this: remaining 3 elements already become equal. Understood? So this is our assumption. So we can take one more theorem. So to prove two triangles are congruent, we are applying this is SAS. What is this? Axiom. Then what we can apply? ASC. This is a theorem. Then what? Triple S. This is also in the form of theorem. Then RHS. This is also a theorem. So these are, we can say, weapon in our hand by which we can prove these 3 elements we can prove are equal to these 3 elements of another triangle. Then directly we can say this all the 6 elements of one triangle is equal to all the 6 elements of another triangles. So we can start like this. So in 10th class this is not given, but this is a revision of chapter number 6, so easily we can understand. It's based on this. So you can understand statements. So proof not important for you. So theorem given. Two triangles are congruent if two angle and included sides. Two angle and included sides of one triangle is equal to the two angle and included side of another triangles. This theorem we can prove with the help of that axiom. So proof, what's given? We are given two triangle ABC and DEF. We are having like this two triangle. One triangle is this ABC. Another triangle, what? DEF. Yes or no? What's given? This angle B. This angle equal to angle E. This angle equal to this angle. This angle equal to this angle. Understood? And what's given? This BC equal to EF. BC equal to EF. And what we have to prove? This triangle is congruent to this triangles. And what we know? We know two triangles are congruent. Two triangles are congruent if two sides and included angle of one triangle is equal to the two side and included angle of another triangle. So we can take help of it. We will try to prove what we will try to prove. AB equal to DE. Either I can prove AB equal to DE or I can prove AC equal to DF. So then directly I can say two sides and included angle. What I can say? two sides and included angle is equal to the two side and included angle. And that's proof. That's already said through that axiom. So we will prove by applying that. So come on this, what's given? Two angles are equal and included sides. So here given two triangle. What's triangle? This triangle ABC. This is triangle DEF. So three cases arises. This sides equal to this side given. This angle equal to this angle given. This angle equal to this angle given. Understood? So what we have to prove? If we can prove AB equal to DE or AC equal to DF, then we can directly saying, if this we can prove this two side and included angle is equal to the two side and included angle. So what's possibility? We are taking this part. What's taking? This part. So what's case number one? Case number one. So we are talking about this case number one. So first case, both are equal. Both are equal. Then what you observed? This AB equal to D according to our assumption, which is written here. Angle B, this angle, is equal to angle E. This is given. Angle BC, this BC equal to EF, this also given. So side, angle, side. So what's it become? So by SAS axiom, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Got it? So if you are talking about this side equal to this side, we are measuring this. So what's possibility? Either this side equal to this side or this side is less than this side. Understood? Third case, this side is greater than this side. So first case we have taken when we both are equal. Understood? Second case, let it possible. We are saying AB is greater than DE. This AB is greater than this DE. Understood? So we can take a point P. So there is a point P on AB such that PB equal to DE. AB is greater than DE. So definitely there is a point P where PB equal to D. So we can take point P on AB such that PB equal to D. So now which triangle? Triangle what? PBC and DEF. PBC, PBC, DEF. So what's PB equal to D by our construction? PB equal to D our construction. Angle B, this angle equal to this angle. Given BC, this side is equal to which side? EF. BC equal to EF. This is also given. So again, what's become? Again become SAS axiom. Satisfying the condition of SAS axiom, two sides and included angle is equal to the two sides and the included angle. Yes or no? So these two triangles, this triangle PBC and DEF both are congruent. And congruent meaning, you know, all the 6 element of one triangle is equal to all the 6 element of another triangle. So then we can say this angle. Which angle? This angle is equal to this angle. But this angle, which angle? It's meaning angle PCB equal to angle DFE. PCB DFE. Correspondence is this. But what's given? Angle AB, sorry. What's given? What's given? Angle ACB equal to angle DFE. This is given. Both possible. It's meaning angle PCB equal to angle ACB. Yes or no? Is it possible this part is equal to this complete part? Not possible. And if possible, when P point and A points both are same. Understood? This is possible only when P and A are same point. Or we can say coincident points. So it's meaning here also if these angles are equal, so these points are also equal. So what we can say? Two triangle, which triangle? ABC, written here. Since the triangle are congruent, their corresponding part will be equal. Angle PCB is equal to this. But this equal to this given already, I told you here. This. Yes or no? So what's it's become? So this equal to this. Is this possible? Question mark is there. So I am saying this is not possible. This is possible only if P coincides with A. It's meaning P and A both become one point. So what's its meaning? AB equal to ED, or triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Yes. Third case. What's AB is less than DE. AB is, so like look here, AB is less than DE. So AB, we have taken this triangle, one triangle this, A, B, C, this triangle, D, E, F. Here given AB is less than DE. AB is less than D. Then there is a point here on D such that P point we can say PE equal to AB. Same proof become which we have done in the second part. So this triangle become congruent to this triangle. So it's meaning this angle equal to this angle. But this angle equal to this angle. So is it possible this angle equal to this angle also and this angle equal to this angle also? Not. Is it possible? Not possible. Possible only when P and D are same points. That's why written we can choose a point M on D. So in place of M you can write this in place of this. Such that ME equal to AB, and repeating the argument which is given in case number 2. Same process we can use, which is given in the case number 2. We conclude that AB equal to D. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Understood? And what saying this? So after this, what we can say? We can say like this. If two sides and included angle, two sides and included angle of a triangle is equal to the two side and included angle of another triangle, then the two triangle are congruent. Or what saying this? SAS. Then with the help of this, we proved this ASA. What's its meaning? Its meaning two side and included angle. Understood? What's its meaning? Two angle and included sides. Understood? And then with the help of this, we can say AAS also. AS meaning angle sides. Why? Because if two angle of a one triangle is equal to the two angle of another triangle, then third angle become automatically equal. Because you know sum of angle of a triangle is 180 degree, two angle are equal, so third angle also automatically become equal. So we can apply this in this form also. It's meaning any two angle and one side of a triangle is equal to the any two angle and the one side, then two triangle become congruent. So understood? So this given in your next page. So sorry, this some more things given I want to explain then also. So later on we can discuss. Suppose now two triangle, two pair of angle and one pair of corresponding side are equal. Same as written which I told you. This same as it is written which I told you. So we can revise it, no problem. Suppose now two triangle, two pair of angles and one pair of corresponding side are equal, but the side is not included between the corresponding angle. So its meaning is this. These two triangles we are taking, two triangles taking like this. This is I have taken ABC and this I have taken DEF. So here what's given? AB equal to DE given. AB equal to DE given. This equal to this given and AC equal to DF given. And then what's given? Angle B equal to angle C. Angle B equal to angle E, sorry, C not E. Then two triangle are congruent. Tell me the answer of it. Is it possible two triangle? Why? Not satisfying. What's not satisfying? Two side and included angle. So another way I can write. This not possible. It may or may not possible. 100% we cannot say these are congruent. So look one time. If this given, this is triangle is given. So this also erase. Again I can write. So what he want to say? So triangle, what's triangle? ABC. Triangle DEF. What's given? AB equal to DE given. This equal to this. Understood? Angle A equal to angle D given. This angle equal to this angle given. Angle B equal to angle F given. This angle equal to this angle given. So what you can say about the congruency rule? Saying one side and these two are included angle, not included angle. So what you can say? This is a side, two angle are these, this angle and this angle. Or you can say like this also. On more systematic way I can tell you. This triangle given ABC. What's D, E, F. Now in two triangle, two pair of angle, it's meaning AB equal to DE given. Angle A equal to angle D given. And angle, this not angle C equal to angle F given. This angle equal to this angle given. Then what you can say? What you can say about congruency? This side is this equal to this side. Angle are these equal. If two angle equal, equal to this angle. What about third angle? Third angle also become equal. So this what we can say, AAS, angle side congruency rule we can say. Understood? Third angle become automatic equal. So it's suppose now two triangle, two pair of angle and one pair of corresponding side are equal, but the side is not included between the corresponding equal pair of angle like this angle and this angle. Side is this equal to this side, angle are these equal. Understood? So we are applying till we know ASA. But here, what this angle equal to this angle equal to this angle, this side equal to this sides. What about congruency? So if two angle become equal, then third angle what? Third angle automatically become equal. If this angle equal to this angle, A equal to D, angle C equal to F, then definitely we can say angle B equal to angle E. Why? By angle sum property. Three angle in a triangle, two are equal, so third become automatically equal. And that one, what we can say, this is ASA, and that one become what's become AAS. Not so much difference. So written here, still congruent. You will observe that they are congruent. Can you reason out why? You can tell why they are congruent. So I told you directly, you can say two angle of a triangle are equal to the two angle of another triangle. So third angle become automatically equal. So it's written, you know that the sum of the three angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So if two pair of angle are equal, then the third pair is also equal. It's meaning 180 minus sum of two angles. So two triangle are congruent if any two pair of angle and one pair of corresponding side are equal. We may call it AAS congruence rule this. So how can we prove two triangle are congruent till here? First is what? SAS, then ASA, and this later on we can say AAS. Side angle sides. Side angle side meaning two side and included angle. ASA, two angle and included sides. Here any two angle and one side of a triangle if equal to the any two angle and any one side of another triangle, then also two triangle are congruent. So understood this? Next taking example. This is saying activity. Draw triangle with angle 40, 50 and 90. How many such triangle can you draw? In fact, you can draw as many triangle as you want with different length of sides. Observe that a triangle may or may not be congruent. So equality of three angles is not. So then question coming in our mind. So first I am saying SCS, two side and included angle of one triangle is equal to the two side and included angle of another triangle, then triangle are congruent. If this condition satisfying, then also triangle congruent. What's meaning? Two angle and included sides of one triangle is equal to the two angle and included side of another triangle. And this also AAS, this also I am saying any two angle of one triangle is equal to the any two angle of another triangle, and one side equal to the one side of one triangle is equal to the one side of another triangle, then also triangle are congruent. So what about these? If all the three angle of a triangle are become equal, then two triangle are congruent or not? If all the three angle become equal, then triangle are congruent. So we can see here also given example. Another example I am taking, easily you can understand from this. I have taken this triangle ABC. How much angle? 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. This is 3 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter. Another triangle I have taken, DEF. This is also 60 degree, this is also 60 degree, this is also 60 degree, and this is 4 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter. Are these two triangles are congruent? You know, two triangles are congruent when 6 elements of one triangle is equal to the 6 element of another triangle. Here, these 3 elements is equal to these 3 elements. These sides are equal? No. So we can say these two triangles are not congruent. So what we can say, if all the 3 angles of one triangle is equal to the all 3 angles of another triangle, then triangle may or may not be congruent. 100% like these we cannot say the triangle are congruent. Got it? Next, theorem SS congruence rule. SS congruence rule, what saying? So we know this, we know. What we know? SAS we know. Two triangles are congruent if satisfying this condition. If satisfying this condition, then also congruent. And if satisfying this condition, then also congruent. And if satisfying this condition, then may or may not congruent. What about this triple S? If all the 3 sides of one triangle is equal to the all the 3 sides of another triangle, then two triangles are congruent. Look one time. SS congruence rule, if 3 sides of one triangle are equal to the 3 sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. Yes or no? This theorem can be proved using a suitable construction. We can prove this by using a suitable construction. But you have, if you know this rule, this rule, this rule, and this rule, so sufficient for 10th class. But you can understand, you have already seen the SAS congruence rule. The pair of equal angle has to be included, angle between the pair of corresponding pair of angles, sides, and if this is not so, the two triangle may not be congruent. Perform this activity. Which activity? So this proof of this theorem telling with the help of activity, what? Construct two right angle triangle with hypotenuse equal to 5 centimeter and one side equal to 4 centimeter. So its proof you not need in 10th class. When we will show 9th class this chapter, we can give the proof of it. Otherwise, we can take like this. We are having a triangle. What triangle? A, B, C. And this also we are having triangle. What triangle? B, E, F. What's given? AB equal to DE. What's given? BC equal to what's given? EF. And what's given? AC equal to DF. This is given. All 3 sides of one triangle is equal to the all 3 sides of another triangles. Then how can we prove? So we can take help of that angle opposite to the equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. So angle become equal. If we can apply any rule and we can prove this angle equal to this angle, then what's become? Triangle become congruent. So you can assume here, its proof also given but not important in 10th class. So next is this, and one more proof, RHS. What's it? RHS, saying right angle, hypotenuse, and any one side. So if you are having this type of triangle, this ABC, this angle is 90 degree. Understood? We are having another triangle, DEF. DEF. This angle is how much? 90 degree. How much degree? 90 degree. And saying this hypotenuse is equal to this hypotenuse and this side equal to this side. Any one side, either this side or this side, then also two triangles are congruent. So I told you what I told you. Two triangles are congruent if satisfying this condition, this condition, this condition, this condition, and this condition. And here we cannot show they are congruent or not. So proof not given in your book, sorry, in your 10th class, not required in 10th class, but revision of these we need. So here saying about this, so saying cut them out of and place. So we can take two triangles. Two triangles, this is a triangle, you can say ABC we have taken. This triangle we have taken DEF. And hypotenuse how much taken? Cut out and place one triangle. If we can put this triangle ABC on what triangle? Which triangle? DEF. So both covered with each other. So other with equal side placed on each other, turn the triangles, it's necessary. What do you observe? Then two triangle cover with each other. If we can put this triangle on this triangle, E coming here, B coming here, and F coming here, then this triangle is completely covered by this triangle. And same process here, if we can take B here, A here, and C here, then this triangle also completely covered it. So each triangle is completely, and so they are congruent. Repeat this activity with other pair of right angle. You can make any pair of right angles and hypotenuse equal to hypotenuse, any one side equal to any one side. Then third side automatically become equal. So according to me, I told you this SAS axiom, then I told ASA, then I told what I told AAS, then triple S, and then RHS. These are tools by which we can prove easily two triangle are congruent. So this you understood. Next, this RHS congruence rule already I told you. If in two right angle triangle, one angle must be 90 degree. If in two right angle triangles, the hypotenuse and one side of one triangle, anyone, either it is base or it is a perpendicular of one triangle is equal to the what? Base or hypotenuse of another triangles, then the two triangle are congruent. And this is known as RHS congruence rule, right angle hypotenuse side. Side meaning any sides. So I told you this. So I think understood. Now one more theorem given. Angle opposite to the equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Important this. Not for exam point of view, but many time use of it. Saying angle opposite to the equal side of an isosceles triangle are equal. This result can be proved in many ways. One of the proof is given here. You can prove this by many ways. We have taken what? We have taken one triangle taken. This triangle. What's the name of this triangle? ABC. What's the name of this triangle? ABC. We have taken this side, it is isosceles triangle. So two sides are equal. So we are given isosceles triangle. Yes or no? We need to prove, if we can prove this angle equal to this angle, then we get our result. What saying? Angle opposite to the equal side. Its opposite angle is this. Its opposite angle is this. Angles opposite to the equal side of an isosceles triangle are equal. What we have to prove? We have to prove angle B equal to angle C. So it's proof. Proof here we can write. Let us draw bisector of angle A. We draw AD as a bisector. Bisector meaning which divide the angle A into two equal parts. Which divide the angle A into two equal parts. We can say this is angle 1, this is angle 2. So draw the bisector AD, which cutting the BC at what point? B point. One is the bisector, another one is the perpendicular bisector. Bisector meaning divide this angle and meeting on opposite side at any point. And perpendicular bisector also, and this angle also 90 degree. So try to understand the difference between this. So taking this triangle ABD, we have taken triangle, or we can take in this way here in your book BAD. So here CAD. Both triangle we have taken. AB equal to AC given. because triangle is isosceles. Understood? Angle BAD, BAD meaning this angle. This is BAD meaning angle 1 equal to angle 2. This angle equal to this angle by our construction. Construction meaning we draw this AD, which is bisector of angle A. AD equal to AD, both common. AD equal to AD common. So what's it's become? Two sides, which sides? AB and AD. Two side and included, two side, this side, and this included angle of this triangle is equal to the two sides and included angle of this triangle. So by which rule? SAS. What we can say? These two triangles are congruent. Triangle BAD is congruent to triangle CAD by CPCT. These are congruent. So by CPCT, what we can say? Corresponding side are equal. So what's its meaning? If this triangle is congruent to this triangle, then by CPCT, what we can say? By CPCT, what we can say? Angle ABD, this angle ABD, this angle is equal to angle ACD, and which is equal to what? Angle B equal to C, which is our requirement according to the question. So after this we can say angles opposite to the equal side of an isosceles triangle are equal. Got it? This kept in your mind, this statement. So is converse is also true. So what I am saying? We are saying here angle opposite to the equal side of an isosceles triangle are equal. What saying? Angle opposite to the equal side of an isosceles triangle are equal. What's its converse? Converse is this: if these angle are equal in any triangle, these what? These angle are equal, then these side also equal. This become its converse. What you can say? If angle are equal, then opposite side are also equal. So this angle meaning this opposite side is this. Its angle mean its opposite side is this. So this is saying, so what we can say, if two angle of a triangle are equal, can we conclude that side opposite to them are also equal? Construct triangle, we have taken triangle. What triangle we have taken? ABC we have taken. Which triangle we have taken? ABC we have taken like this same way. With BC any length and this angle, angle B equal to angle C. This is given. Draw bisector of A. Again we can draw bisector. So this angle become, what's it become? This angle and this angle. So this is angle 1, this is angle 2. So what we can say? In triangle ABD and triangle, which triangle? ACD. ACD. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 by construction. Angle B equal to angle C given, and AD equal to AD. This angle equal to this angle equal to this angle, and AD equal to AD. So directly what we can say by AAS, two triangle are congruent. So what we can say? We can say like this: its converse also true. Its converse also true. Proof I told you, here also given its proof. Understood? So here also it's proof not given. If not given, I told you, you can take these two triangles, sorry. This triangle we have taken. So proof I am telling, this theorem we have taken, triangle, sorry, ABC, this triangle we have taken. And this angle 50 degree and this angle equal to 50 degree. We can draw this bisector AD. This is D. So if proof I told you, again I can write given to prove you can write. Given to prove you can write. So what's proof? In triangle ABD and triangle ACD. What's ACD? So what you can say? Angle, which angle? BAD, this angle, equal to this angle, equal to angle CAD by construction. Understood? Angle ABC equal to angle ABD, sorry, D note, C coming, is equal to angle ACD, ABD, given, both angle are given. AD equal to AD, what's common? So, two angle and one side. So, therefore, by AAS rule, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. So by what? CPCT. Corresponding part of the congruent triangle, what we can say? AB equal to AC. Hence, converse also possible. Whose converse? Converse of that theorem, angle opposite to the equal side of an isosceles triangle are equal. Converse, what's converse? If angle are equal, their opposite side are also equal. So beta, this is all about from class 9th. This is all about from class 9th. I told you what I told you. This is, I told you in the form of axiom. Then this in the form of theorem. This then, its generalization. Then what's coming? This coming. And at last I tell you RHS. Theorem, 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 theorem. And axiom without proof, theorem with proof. And then I told you two more theorems. One is the angle opposite to the equal side of an isosceles triangle are equal. Another, if angle are equal, opposite side are also equal. Converse of it. So I told you this we can use, this previous knowledge we need to solve that chapter. Which chapter? Triangles. So from tomorrow we can start the basic of that chapter, triangles, which is related to class 10th. So I hope you understand it, and if not understand, you can revise it. So we can start that from tomorrow. Thank you for all of you.